For these Middleberry scones, start by mixing your dry ingredients. You've got 2 cups of flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, a tablespoon of baking powder, half teaspoon of salt. I'm using sea salt, a teaspoon of grated orange zest. Adds a lot of great flavor. And a half a teaspoon of cinnamon, and then you're just going to whisk that all together until it's well mixed. Next, add your cubes of cold butter and mix with a fork, 2 knives, or a pastry blender until the mixture resembles coarse crumbs. I like to press all the way to the bottom and then give it a little twist. Next, whisk your half and half an egg until blended, and add that to your butter dry ingredients mixture. I like to toss it around with a fork. Definitely don't want to overmix it, but you will end up with a slightly sticky dough once it's all together. Once your dough has come together, turn it out onto a well-floured surface and knead it about 4 times. Shape it into a ball and then cut it in half. Pat each disc into an 8-inch circle. Place 1 round of dough on your baking sheet and then spread your jam to within 1 inch of the edge. So once you have your jam all spread out, you're simply going to pick up your other round and place it over the top, matching the edges up and pinching them to seal them together. Once you've sealed your edges, you can choose to go around and give it a little bit of a decoration by pressing in with the edge of a fork, and you can see how that looks. Sprinkle your sugar over the top. Spread it all out evenly, and then you're going to cut into 8 pieces with your knife, just straight down. You are not going to separate your pieces. You're just scoring them into triangles, which will then allow you to easily separate the scones once they're baked. Now you're going to place them in a preheated 425-degree oven and bake them for about 15 to 18 minutes or until the edges are golden.